Abby, tell us, what did you do in school today?
A pee party.
What else did you do?
A pee party.
Is that what you did all day?
Yeah.
You peed in the potty.
Yeah.
You do anything else?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. In out.
What else did you do?
Pee party.
Is that all you did today? What else did you do today? What did you do in school today, Abby? You what?
Yes.
You what?
Yeah.
You washed your hands.
Yeah.
What else did you do?
A pee party.
What else did you do?
A pee party.
You did?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Yeah. Pee party.
What else did you do?
I want to